through. That allows the chicken to cook so much quicker. Okay, the idea of this sticky lemon chicken. Oh my God! That's not coming down his nose. That's not coming down his nose. Raisin bang. That's not coming down his nose. Raisin bang. That's not coming down his nose. That's not. Oh my God! That's not coming down his nose. Not coming down his nose. Delicious, very straightforward, and the chicken gets coloured and then it gets sort of caramelised with soya sauce, honey, and we finish it with lots of fresh lemon. So it's really nice and zesty and vibrant, but it's quite sticky in a way that it sort of is so easy to eat. That is a wonderful sticky. That is a wonderful sticky, lemony chicken served with fresh champ. Quick, easy, absolutely delicious.